You come here and sit with me.
Well, that's it for me, guys. I'm tired. I'm going to bed.
You're in trouble.
Faster, ready. Good.
¿Qué más es esto?
Good night, Richard.
Good night, Frank. Good night, Foster. It's good to hear you laugh.
Step.
You're very thorough. What's happening with you and Rachel? Come on, one minute she has magnetic hands, and the next she hates you.
I don't know what's going on right now.
You follow all the moves this closely?
It's a living.
No, it's not.
You must think my life's pretty sickly, don't you?
No.
You must. I do.
Why don't you change it, Nikki?
Is it that easy?
You're a lovely woman.
But you don't want me. I'm surprised. Thorough fellow like yourself. Why stop at one sister when you can do them both?
I make my mistakes, huh?
But you didn't say no to the boss.
Hello there, fellow students. What happens when you buy a Blizzard on DQ Miracle Treat Day? You're giving hope to the kids who need it most. DQ will donate $1 or more to your local Children's Miracle Network hospital for every DQ Blizzard you buy at participating locations. Thursday, October 28th at DQ.
The double quarter pounder with cheese. Fresh off the grill. Cooked when I order it, and not a moment before. And juicy. And listen, I keep my napkin game up, because I'm not trying to have this drip on my trip.
Thousands of people rely on the Brinks Money prepaid MasterCard to make life a whole lot easier and manage their money every day.
Before Brinks, my money situation was just all over the place. But now with the Brinks card, every time I make a transaction, I get an alert right on my phone, and it means the world to me.
With Brinks, there's no more waiting in line to cash a check, because with the Brinks Money prepaid MasterCard, you do your banking on the go.
I am very busy and on the go all the time. My financial life before the Brinks card was very chaotic. The Brinks card has become a major staple in my wallet. It has made life a whole lot easier.
Call now or go online to get your Brinks Money prepaid MasterCard. There's no cost to order and no credit check. No need to worry about keeping track of your balance. Easily load money onto your card and track purchases.
The Brinks difference. All simple to use budgeting tools that make us better at managing our money.
Brinks is my go-to card. I use it to go grocery shopping, check into hotels, to do online purchases. Brinks is wonderful.
And there's no more waiting. Get your paycheck or government check up to 2 days faster
direct deposit. I get paid up to 2 days faster, and I love that.
With Brinks, there's no credit check and no cost to order. And with payback points, you can earn points for cash back on many of your purchases. That puts money back in your wallet.
I love the phrase cash
Ay, 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 que respire profundo.
They're actually even
Hay gente pa' aquí.
that means they care about us.
We have 4 beautiful children, and so one thing we are always doing is shopping. I couldn't imagine shopping without my Brinks card.
And you can even customize your card with your favorite photo. Call now or go online to order your Brinks Money prepaid MasterCard. With a qualifying direct deposit, you'll be eligible for the reduced monthly fee and an optional savings account that could earn up to a 5% annual percentage yield. Brinks has helped thousands of people with everyday needs to help manage their money better. Call right now to order your Brinks Money prepaid MasterCard. 1-800-584-4177. Call now. Open the door.
Nos dan una primero.
Opportunities. Earn your accredited high school diploma online with Penn Foster. Whether you're a full-time student or working adult, Penn Foster makes it easy to study at your own pace, at home or on your mobile device. With affordable, flexible payment options, you can join the more than 200,000 students who have earned their high school diploma with Penn Foster. Get the education you deserve, the skills you need, and the confidence to achieve your goals. Enroll today. Call or visit us online.
Has your debt got you feeling like you just can't breathe?
We just kept drowning and drowning, swimming in debt.
Think a loan is the solution? It starts with a simple phone call with Freedom Financial with plans that include home equity loans, personal loans, debt consolidation, and more.
It was extremely, extremely fast. That is what it was like getting a loan with Freedom.
Freedom Financial has served over 1 million people by providing over $5 billion in loans and resolving over $12 billion in consumer debt.
Pueden ver que esté bien caliente, men.
Freedom Financial guarantees you won't pay a penny unless they can help you with your loan qualification or your first debt settlement. How's that for a breath of fresh air?
It just like has been a godsend for us. Thank you for giving me my freedom back.
Call Freedom Financial now.
Call 833-318-3430 now. There's no obligation and no upfront fee. Call now or go to usefreedom.com. What is it? No. A deer? Yeah. That's big.
Ahora cogemos. Sí, porque que pero tú sabes por qué no agarra rápido, porque yo tengo que comprar la crema esa que uno le unta de estaño.
Jesus loves me. Oh, yes, he does. Jesus loves me. Oh, yes, he does.
Qué bien.
Esto
No va a quedar bien ahí.
Hey, honey.
Gracias a Dios. Para ensolarla. Y ahí quedó ese. Quedó ahí duro. Ahora falta este. Eso es lo más difícil del drum son estos, porque los otros son unos clean. Ya. Bueno, vamos a meterle. Van a hacer lo siguiente. Lo mojan así un poco. Así lo mojan un poquito. Le meten a este. Aquí la puntita.
Tell me about it. Who is it? Tell me stuff. Who is it?
I don't know.
You can call it off.
He doesn't even know who hired him. He doesn't know who he is. He doesn't know who hired him.
How did you do it?
I went to a bar in East LA. I asked around. And there was this guy.
Name.
Armando. He arranged it. That's all I did.
Y ahí quedó.
It's all paid for.
Mi gente.
Is it all paid for?
And then some. Okay, so it's done.
Están viendo uno allá
He's going until he kills her.
y el otro ahí.
What's the name of the bar?
No pueden ir juntos porque no va a ser buena señal.
How about blood?
Bueno, eso es todo por hoy, mi gente. Que pasen buenas noches. Que Dios me los bendiga.